All right, y'all, so found a deal yesterday at Planet Ford in Houston. They made me a really good deal on it, so I couldn't pass it up. This was the exact truck that I wanted. And as you can see, I'm here at Discount Tire this morning. We're gonna get the Toyo RTs mounted up here first thing this morning. Let me turn the camera around, just show you all those. So these are the RT Pros right here. And like I said, we're gonna get those put on. I'm gonna pull these off. These tires, so far, I drove home from Houston last night, really quiet, handle really well. Just gonna put a little bit more aggressive tire on it. And then last night I got a few more things done. I'll show you all that. One of the other things that Ford kind of cheaped out on these is on the back here. You can see this is the one I purchased. I went on eBay and I found an OEM fob. You don't have to reprogram the fob or anything. You can just basically pull this back plate off. But I wanted the Raptor fob, and you don't get that anymore. You just get the plain Ford fob. So if you want that, you can go on eBay. I'll put a link down in the description, and go grab you one of these Raptor backing plates if that's what you're looking for. And let's get some of this done. Okay, so last night, one of the first things I did, I got my blend mount installed, and I just plugged that in for now. Now y'all know I've got the Wolf Box digital mirror. I'm gonna put that in later. Today we're gonna get the windows tinted, get these tires mounted up, and I'm gonna try to get the leveling kit on. But the other thing that's really cool right here, I'll put a link to this in the description, y'all. That charger, what's cool is you can actually, it's just Velcroed in there, so you can open the cubby and put it back in here if you want to. But to slide your phone in there, I would show y'all, but I have my phone in my hand. But y'all, that charger is amazing. You just drop it in there and it's magnetic and it charges your phone. So I'll put a link to the description for that, and I'm gonna keep y'all updated with what we get done today. All right, y'all, sorry it's a little windy this morning, but this is the look with the RT Pros mounted. I really like them. They came out good. Make a little more road noise than the other tires, but for the most part, they drive and handle well. And they just give it that little bit more aggressive look. But y'all, if y'all hit subscribe, I've got lots of videos coming on this truck. Got lots of plans for it, doing lots of upgrades. So tap that subscribe button, hit that like, and got some more stuff coming for y'all.